Yep, your personal credit sucks. It's causing all kind of problems in your life. You can't get the credit you need to fix your car, or your credit won't allow you to move to a different neighborhood. Your credit won't allow you to get that new job because yes, they check credit too. You definitely can't get a new house with bad credit. You can't get a new phone service with bad credit. And the list can go on and on and on when it comes to having bad credit, right? But the beautiful thing is bad credit can be fixed, and it can be fixed for $100 or less. All it takes is some know-how and a little bit of time. But before we get started,
Allow me to reintroduce myself.
my name is Devon Put-in-Work Burke, the wealth builder himself. And if you love content like how to fix your credit for under $100 and talking about making more money, saving more money, building a better you and the business, then go ahead and subscribe to this channel, like this video, and share it. Sharing is caring, so definitely share this video. Now, before I get started, do remember, all links are in the description below. So if you find a link in this video that sounds interesting, definitely check out the links in the description. Alright, so without further ado, let's get to step one. Go to yourfreedisputes.com and use their free software to start repairing your credit on your own. Connect your credit reports, which is less than $30, and use the software to make dispute letters on negative and incorrect items that are hurting your credit, and then send them to credit bureaus. Okay? Now, step two. While you're waiting for responses from the credit bureaus, start building positive credit. Make an account on creditbuilder.com, pay them monthly for a year, it's less than $30, and they will report the payments to your credit, and you get your money back after. Next up, you get an account with extra.app, okay, which is about $12. They let you build credit from transactions you make from your checking banking account. Then next up, you apply for a Tumo credit card or Tomorrow credit card. They have that, pretty much their name is Tomo. Okay, the link is in the description. But they don't check your personal credit, but will report to your personal credit. Okay? Let me say that again. They don't check your personal credit, but will report on your personal credit. You use it for small purchases like gas and pay them off weekly. They will report to all 3 personal credit bureaus, okay? Personal reports. Number 3, if you have a ton of credit card debt, start putting your cash on the credit cards and pay down to 10% before the statement date. Notice I didn't say due date. Once the statement date passes and it reports to your credit, use the credit card to pay your bills and do it again every month. This can be all done with less than $100 a month. Fixing your credit is a process, but this is a start. I know it sounds really simple, but it's definitely worth the shot, okay? Now, building your personal credit is important because it will help you take out that business loan to start growing your business or start a business, right? If you're interested in getting a business loan or at least getting more information on getting a business loan, check out the link in the description. Until next time, wealth builders, it's the man, it's the myth, the wealth builder himself, Devon Put-in-Work Burke, signing off for how to fix your credit for less than $100. remember, Wealth Builders, make more, save more, build more.
Say that I'm on my grind is an understatement.